Dumelang guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button for more updates. So guys, Gogo's continue talks about destroying umshado bantu. In that, guys, she says that if you're coming to me to destroy umshado muntu ngeke ngikusize, but I would help the wife.
If you're on your way to see me so I can help you destroy someone's marriage, don't bother. Don't bother coming to me. I will not help you. Instead, I will help the wife deal with you.
So guys, people went on to questioning ugogo maweni ukuthi abantu mabezile endumbeni, do you ask them if they are married to the people or whatsoever? And she mentioned that that's the reason why she has her bones, so that you consult and the bones will say indaba eziningi. So guys, the comment was, but do they even tell you that they are destroying marriages, or they lie and say the woman took my man and I want him back? Hi ngoba. And then Dr. Maweni went on to responding saying that's what my bones are, therefore I don't listen to people, I go with what the bones tell me. And if they are lying, I would know. And the other one went on to saying, when someone says, I want him to love me, do you ask for his relationship status to confirm they are not a married man? And then she went again on Dr. Maweni and said, bones reading, I checked before, lol, you can't lie to me. So here you got it, guys. Gogo Maweni made it clear ukuthi kuma married man akadlaleli, she won't let nobody destroy umshado omunye umuntu. But anyway, guys, please do comment down in the comment section and let me know what you have to say about this. And please, guys, do subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you.